Hey guys, it's Coco. Today's we're playing some Animal Jam. So this is not my character, it is, but this is my first Animal Jam video. I really like Animal Jam; it's so fun. But all my characters are the exact same, so there's some things I really need to check out. So don't mind the names of all my animals. This one, Fuzzy Fancy Jaguar, I named when I was 5 because that's when I got this game when I first got a wolf. But here she is. I really love her. Then I have a bunny and a tiger. I really like tigers. I am playing with this one, so I really need to see something. Is it true that you can get a Wolverine? Oh, so this is what the stinking Wolverine is all about? Oh, this is a Wolverine. Okay, I had no idea what a Wolverine was. Oh, it's an... Oh my gosh, this thing is so creepy. I really want this one. The Autumn Coyote. It looks so pretty. How? Bundled off. Oh, that's a little... the cow's a little weird. There's a reason why I came to this space. Oh my gosh, is that a cat? Oh my gosh. I really want to see the Australian Shepherd. There is one that I really want to get, but I'd rather get the Australian Shepherd. I need to look how cute he is. And I need 45 more gems for him. No! I wanted to customize this gorgeous little thing. We can, oh wow. I make him black. Okay, gorgeous. And this can be gray. What if I made him like a little wolf? He looks like a husky. He's so cute. He looks like a little husky, but we're gonna make him a wolf. You see this cream color right now? Kind of brown. Kind of light. No, kind of like, yeah, like that. Okay. And the one has to be a creamy, right? There we go. He's so cute now. I think he was much cuter with a little white. This white. And how he's as a little husky. I love him as a little husky. Clothes. So, I had to trade to get my little zebra. I'm the biggest fan of my little zebra. I really like my, cat more. I named it Tabby. Which actually has a different name, which I didn't know about. What in the world is back here? Things I need pets back there. There's so many things back there. I want you to know it's just back there. But, I can show you my pet. Okay, so, yes, I want to go to Pet Zebra. So, I actually had a trade to get this little guy, but, I actually really prefer my little tabby named Star Betty. I don't know what this name is. I renamed it to Tabby. I realized there's written on the back of the dragon. Well, we each have mohawks. We each have mohawks and each have necklaces. Here's my little bee. We have the same outfit. Wait a minute. Oh wait, I didn't put a thing on this guy for a reason. I forgot the reason, but mohawk, that's what it's called. He already has hair. He already has mohawk. Looks really weird, so I have to change all my pets to look like that. They have to be the song. How would you look with a flower crown? Oh, you look cute. I'll keep that. Right now I have to change my bee. Don't worry about all that other noise. It's just people opening things. But my widow bee now needs a... I don't know. I'm preferring Mohawk, but I'm never using any. What the heck is with these colors? I picked this guy out. I don't like the colors. Anyway, doesn't matter. We're on to Star Buddy. I'm sorry, my little zebra friend, but yeah. I'm gonna change them all to Mohawks sometime, but no, right now. I like my cat better than Mohawk. So it's gonna have a Mohawk, and none of you are going to yell at me in the comments. Am I right? Don't notice that how are you? Ew, I just got back XD. Ew. This sounds gregarious, I don't know. Oh, that one. You. Emoji. Okay, let's type of emoji. Like, if I didn't just see the face I was making, but there's no emojis to go with it. Like, oh, this one. I got started 2 days ago. I got an Arctic Wolf's moon. Okay, we're leaving. This place is weird. Oh, the Australian Shepherd. They did my idea. They stole it from me. Oh my gosh. But we're just gonna see some things. So, yeah. I have an Australian Shepherd stuffed animal, which I absolutely adore him. He's so special to me. He is, his name is Cosmo. He's an Australian Shepherd, as I said. Do you want to know what's in all the bunny, fox, and wolf den? Probably know what's in the wolf den, but I also want to tell you something so unfair. But first, we gotta go up in the street. Story time treat. So the Arctic fox, or the Arctic wolf, not fox, the Arctic wolf can go into the wolf den, but the wolf cannot go into the Arctic wolf den, but the Arctic wolf can go in the wolf den, which is not fair. I will show you my proof. So, I bet we can... No, see? I can't go in. No, I don't. Oh my gosh. Okay, but I want to show you some. I'm really sorry to hear, so it doesn't really matter, but only you are nice, Jim. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. I'm changing into my fox because I don't care. It's my fox, okay? I love foxes. And of course I need my little foxy. I love my fox. I don't know. I want to be a jammer. See, I can't go. Wait. I need my wolf to test this out. Dang it. Okay. Of course I can't go in there with a fox. So I'll change into my wolf later. See, I can't go in. I want to go in there. I can't. But then if I go into here, I can go in the wolf den. And I bet we'll find an Arctic fox. I promise you that. There's always at least one in there, which I hate that. I hate that they can go in our den, but then we can't go in their den. If you know what I mean, of course. But, okay, hold on. Okay. There's an Arctic fox. I mean, Arctic fox. See, there's one. How the heck do you have 2 pets? I want to know. Oh my gosh. Look at this little thing next to her. Or him, I don't know. Hold on. Okay. So it's right under my name tag, not the fox or the wolf. No, it disappeared. I'm red and I'm not. Red and I'm not. Red and I'm not. Okay, so I'm running away from my cat. No. No, attack me. Wait, no, I didn't get it. Got you. Okay. Shoot. Don't touch me. But see, isn't it unfair? And what in what? Oh, they're cool. They're a thing. We have to check that out now. Darn. Okay. Dee-dee-do. We gotta check that out. Alright. We're gonna hit add animal. Now we're gonna go over here. I don't care about the cow. I don't like the cow. See right now. I want the bat-eared fox. Or the painted dog. I really want the painted dog, but I can't get it. I'd rather get the Australian Shepherd because it probably will disappear sometime. Sometime in the near future. Where's that weird wolf thing? Nobody and monkey over there. I missed it. Did I? Well, this thing, I hate the Arctic wolf. I've never had it. But I really want to know what's in there. Okay. We're on a mission to find whatever the heck the thing is. So I can't find it. I really want to. He's my dream pet to have. He's my dream. I tried more sapphires to get this little build. But at last, we can. Wait a minute. I have an evil idea. Can I do it? No, I can't. Dang it. I thought that'd be a cool glitch I could have done. Also, that thing. So I'm going to invite some people to play. Yes, find match, please. Alright, I'm gonna join me, Stack Attack. Let's advertise it. Well, we're advertising. Come on, someone wanna join me? I'm advertising. Hey, you wanna join? Wanna join? Please, someone. Hey, you. Any of you wanna join? Any of you? Help. Okay, that's weird. Hey, you wanna join? Look at play. What the heck? Okay. That was weird, but we're gonna just go back. Sorry about that. Sometimes this thing does nice you. I really like Cake Stack. It's my favorite. Please. We need to advertise outside of here, probably. I'm leaving this weird thing. I'm going to go to a very populated place, which I know the exact spot. Oh, wait. Hold on. I'm going to change into my glorious little fox because I wanted to and then I couldn't. But Bouncing Arctic Feet is what I named it. Bouncing Arctic Feet. I did recently also. Okay, yeah, someone join me, please. I'm advertising. It's very public over here, so someone's bound. Please, someone join me. You wanna join? You wanna join? You wanna join? Why won't anyone join me? Someone up here? Oh, you wanna join? Nope, no, okay. Find one. Maybe there's someone up here. Or at least one person. Please. Join me, please. Someone. Okay. Alright. Man, I really want this person's Australian Shepherd. What? What? Are they on their training list? Nothing. They're an Australian Shepherd. Alright, we're going to go somewhere else and advertise. Right, only this for your places. Crowded, so we're going to try here. Also, the Australian Shepherd I was talking about earlier is a stuffed animal, not a real animal. Okay, yay, someone joined me. Okay, that's good. No! Yeah. I win. Good try. Yes. Okay. Fine, we'll just ask someone else. Tell me guys if you like these new games you want any more like Minecraft or Animal Jam games. Please tell me. I want some comments to read. I'd really like some comments. What the heck is this? Oh, spin. Please. Gems, I beg. You logged in 2 times this month. I did? Okay. Yay, 100 coins. Yay. It's a crafting crystal. Alright. How do you know what a crafting crystal is? Shoot, not again. Alright, sleep. Sprouch. And what's our special move? Okay, music. And now we're going to... Let's walk. Yeah, someone joined us. Okay.